Talking to Santa Claus? Did we meet Santa Claus for the first time?
Did you talk to Santa Claus today? Did you sit on Santa's lap with your big brother? Did you?
What's going on?
What do you have to say?
You get all sorts of candy.
Boop, boop, boop. What do you want to say, little girl? Boop, boop, boop. We were just talking.
What were you just talking about? You were saying that crazy. There you go. That crazy Santa? What was he telling you? Was he talking about his reindeer? Yeah, he was talking about the reindeer. Yeah, he was. Did he tell you about his elves? What about the elves? Did he tell you about the elves? Yeah, you thought they were cute too, huh? The elves. What did you think of those elves? What did you think of those elves? He said, Santa, are you coming to my house? Will you come to my house? Yeah, I think he will. He will. Because you're being a good girl. You are being a good girl. Yeah. You're being super cute too with Santa. Is he taking your picture? Is he taking your picture? You know. Yeah, he. What's that? How close is that to me?
Whoa.
Extreme close up.
Alright. Maybe that's enough for grandpas and grandmas.
Say bye-bye. Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Alright. Goodbye.